In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to build up a $2,000 a month recurring passive income with a single affiliate program. You can see on the screen here, the program is Active Campaign. Okay, it's an email autoresponder. You can see here over the past 60 days, which is their payout period, I've done roughly $4,000, and that means about $2,000 every month, okay? And the coolest thing about this, like we talked about, is it's totally passive now, which means I could pull away, I could disappear for 3, 4, 5 months, and that $2,000 every month will continue to come in, regardless of whether I put any time into it or not. So stay tuned, and we're gonna talk exactly how I did this, and we're gonna talk about how you can do the same thing. All right, we are back. Now, I'm assuming if you're watching this that you are trying to improve your affiliate marketing skills, and I can promise you, if you are trying to do that, this is the channel for you. I don't put out generic content. I don't put out fluffy, just provide value to your audience kind of content. I give you deep, in-depth tutorials and case studies on how to do affiliate marketing right. So click subscribe and let's dive in and talk about how this was done. Okay, so the first thing I did, and this is the first thing I do whenever I go all in on an affiliate program, okay? So I promote a lot of random things, but whenever I go all in and I say, as I did last year, I wanna make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month off this program, all in, this is the first thing I do. I create training around it, okay? I create free training around it, and there's two things that I do with that. One, I can offer that training as a bonus. I can say, hey, if you sign up for this affiliate program, I'm gonna give you all the training you need to get running with it, right? The second thing is within the training, I give it away for free. That's the second way I do training, is I give it away for free, but inside the training, it's very, very clear that they need that affiliate product to succeed, okay? So an example here is email automation, okay? So I'm promoting Active Campaign, it's an email autoresponder. So I create a free course, you can see right here, Email Marketing Secrets, and it teaches actually some really good stuff on email marketing. You can see inside the course here, I've got 19 modules, okay? I put time into this and tried to make an actual quality course. But the very first step in that course is to watch this video and sign up for Active Campaign, because everything I teach, most of it can't be done in other autoresponders, okay? And so you can project this out to any affiliate program you want. You create the training, but the first step in the training tells them, hey, if you want to be following this training, you're going to need Active Campaign to be able to do that. Okay, and then I have an Active Campaign link a couple times throughout here as well. Like I'll say things like, oh, well, just so you know, everything I'm going to teach in this module only possible in Active Campaign. So if you still are using your old autoresponder, I think it's time to sign up for Active Campaign and click the link down below. Okay, the next thing that I do is I create content around it, okay? So I create what I call hot and warm content. So hot content, I create reviews and I create content that includes that keyword so that anybody that's searching for Active Campaign or whatever affiliate product I'm promoting, I want to show up at some point when they search that, okay? So whether they search Active Campaign Review or whether they search Active Campaign Demo or what is Active Campaign, I want to be there, okay? And so you can see here, I've got 15,000 views on a YouTube video that's an Active Campaign Review and Demo. And it's ranked at different places. Right now, I think it's ranking 3rd or 4th for Active Campaign Review. I actually don't remember where I rank now for Active Campaign Demo. Looks like I don't rank for that anymore. I rank same thing, 3rd or 4th. And it's kind of varied, but you can see by the views, this one's got 15,000 views that the video's done pretty well. So I go for these really hot keywords, and I also go for comparison keywords, okay? So if you look, I don't know if I rank for this anymore either, to be honest. If you look at MailChimp Review, I was same thing, 3rd or 4th, and all these were like 1 or 2 at some point. But anyway, MailChimp Review. What am I doing? I'm reviewing a competitor, but I'm reviewing a competitor that I don't like, right? I'm promoting Active Campaign because I like it, which means I don't really love the competitor. So I do a review of MailChimp, but in the review I say, hey, you should head over to Active Campaign, okay? And this is a totally fine way of doing affiliate marketing as long as you're honest about it. But you can do this with any product. Again, you go find all their competitors, you do reviews on the competitors, and you don't have to like slander the competitors and say they're terrible, right? All you've got to do is say something like, hey, it does this and this and this, it's missing this and this and this, which is why you want to sign up for Active Campaign instead, right? So I'm not like telling off MailChimp and like making them look like they're this terrible company, but I'm telling them the reasons that I didn't go with MailChimp and went with Active Campaign instead. And I can do that in a total honest and ethical way, okay? So you're going to target all the hot keywords where people are actually looking for it. Then you're going to target those keywords where people are looking for competitors of that product. And then finally, you're going to start going for I'll show you all the videos on this. You're gonna start going for keywords that are warm. Okay, these are people that are somewhat looking for ActiveCampaign, but not totally. So what do I mean by that? I mean, they're looking for things like, hey, how to do email marketing as an affiliate marketer. Okay, I've got 1.7 thousand views on that. Hey, email marketing best practices. Okay, hey, I've got 2,000 views on that. Hey, email marketing strategies for 2020. Hey, I've got 1,000 views on that. Okay, so you're seeing I'm creating these, and each one of these, obviously throughout the video, I say, hey, I'm gonna teach you this strategy. Oh, by the way, you can't do this with most autoresponders. You can only do this inside of ActiveCampaign, right? So you can really passively promote multiple times throughout the video your affiliate link down below, or even click in the card and tell them to go to an affiliate link there. Same thing on blogs, even though I'll be honest, my blog hasn't brought in a lot of those leads, but you do the same thing on blogs. You create the same content on a blog and create this big hub of ActiveCampaign content, ActiveCampaign competitor content, and email marketing content, okay? And all that content points to 2 places, okay? One, you point them to your free training that you created, okay? Because you want to capture that email address, and you want them to get inside of that training where not only will they sign up for this product, but they'll stay with the product, because this is a recurring product, right? And the second thing I do is I point directly to the affiliate link, okay? So in most videos, I'll bring up multiple times, hey, there's an affiliate link down below, and then I'll bring up at least once. And if you're new to email marketing, you're definitely gonna wanna grab that free training where I step-by-step break down the whole process of creating a profitable email marketing campaign, okay? So that's the second thing we do. The third thing we do is kind of generic, I'm gonna be honest, but we just talk about it, okay? So we're gonna head to my Facebook group here on the screen, and all I do is I constantly talk about ActiveCampaign. And you can do this on your Facebook profile, you can do this on your Facebook group, wherever it is, but you can see I make posts all the time about how much I love ActiveCampaign. So here's a post. Hey, another reason I love ActiveCampaign is their awesome reports. And I've got a screenshot of their reports, okay? And I got a few from there. Let's see, I want posts by me. 1 year ago, I signed up for ActiveCampaign and loved it, so I made a video demo. There I posted a demo and talked about why I love ActiveCampaign. I'm sure there's a way to tell Facebook. Oh, there it is. Posts by me, okay? There they are. Hey, so I went live December 17th, and I said, hey, I'm gonna talk about email marketing. I'm also gonna do a live demo of ActiveCampaign. See, there I am talking about ActiveCampaign. Hey, I got 50% open rates with ActiveCampaign. That's awesome. By the way, I have an affiliate link down below, okay? 47 comments there, 53 comments there, 58 comments there, 39 comments, right? So you just talk about something constantly, and people start to remember. And a lot of times you're like, no one signed up off that, right? But then 3 days later, you get someone post, and they're like, hey, I'm looking for new email autoresponder. Spencer, I saw that you were loving on ActiveCampaign 3 days ago. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? We hop in DM, and in 5 seconds, I've shown them, I've sent them my review video, and we're off to the races, right? Or I don't even have to hop into a DM with most of these guys. So never be discouraged as you're constantly posting about something that you love, because you'll always be surprised when suddenly you get a sale out of nowhere, and you have somebody reach out to you, and they're like, hey, can you set this up for me, or can I even pay you to set up an ActiveCampaign, or things like that will happen as well. So I promised you I would give you the real key, how you could do this too. What is the real reason that I was able to succeed with ActiveCampaign, okay? And I'm gonna tell you, it's not my audience. It's not the fact that I've got a big email list. I don't think I've ever emailed my list about ActiveCampaign. I probably should, but I have not. What it is that I chose 18 months ago. I said, hey, I want to be making, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month with ActiveCampaign. I'm gonna go do it, okay? And I was incredibly focused and consistent. I put out constant content. I have content. I have dozens and dozens of videos and blog posts that focus on ActiveCampaign, okay? And honestly, in the first 6 months of me promoting ActiveCampaign, I was lucky to make $100 a month. And then in the last 6 months, it suddenly doubled from $1,000 to $2,000 a month, okay? So it's got this rolling down a hill effect where it slowly starts and then it just takes off as you're putting out this content, because slowly your content kind of all starts to come together, and you've got 20 pieces of digital real estate content out there that are all bringing in 1 lead a week or something like that, but it really starts to add up, okay? So we create free training around the product. We create tons of content around the product, and we point to our link and to our free training, and then we just constantly talk about the product that we love. Time for a Spencer guarantee. I guarantee if you pick a product, you do this for at least a year, I promise you there will be results, okay? Unless you're the worst writer or the worst video creator on the planet, you will get results with this method. So what are your next steps? 2 things. You're gonna go down below, you're gonna grab my free affiliate marketing training. Totally free. It's step-by-step how to get started with affiliate marketing, how a 6-figure affiliate marketer does what he does, basically. And then you're going to watch this next video where I give you 4 really cool examples, honestly, on affiliate marketing. I promise you, as you watch all 4 of them, it'll change the way you think about affiliate marketing, and you'll be able to see like a totally different way of going about it, especially if you are one of those spammy Facebook group messenger people that hits up my group a lot.